Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Microsoft Outlook notifications for LinkedIn messages step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Locate the File menu in the top left corner of the window. Click on File to open the menu options. From the left sidebar, select Options. This will open the Outlook Options window. In the Options window, find and click on the Mail section. Scroll down to the Message Arrivals section. Here, you will see different notification settings. Uncheck the box next to Display a Desktop Alert. You may also want to uncheck the Play a Sound option if you prefer no audio alerts. Next, navigate to the Automatic Replies section. Ensure that you have not set any replies that could trigger notifications for LinkedIn messages. Click on the Advanced tab within the Options window. Look for the notification settings specifically related to accounts. Identify any LinkedIn connected accounts you have. Select the LinkedIn account and adjust its notification settings as necessary. After making your changes, click OK to save your settings. Close the Outlook Options window. You have now successfully disabled Microsoft Outlook notifications for LinkedIn messages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.